So now let's see how we can export out 3D files from within Tinkercad. So in order to export out files, first of all, I'm going to bring in some object right here, just like this. Drag in a bunch of random objects. And if I were to, let's say, for example, turn these into whole shape and group them together, then they will turn into a special shape right here. So let's say, for example, if I want to export this as a 3D file to be used with other applications, then I can select this, or I can select a bunch of other objects and then go to export right here on the top. So on the top here, you can see that you can select everything in the design or the selected shape. So you can choose whatever you want. And for 3D print, you can go around and export out in these settings. You can export in OBJ format, which preserves the color information, the STL format, which is more for 3D printing, and there's DLV format right here. So I'm just going to go around and choose OBJ right here. And now it says it's preparing the model for export. And there you go. So the download box just pops up right here and I can save it around. So once I do that, I can go around and then go on to my desktop where you have the file, as you can see. So I'm just going to go around and then extract this all right here onto my desktop. And there you go. There's my OBJ file, as you can see. So if I were to double click on this, the shape that we made in Tinkercad opens up in the 3D viewer, as you can see right here. And then I can view it in different ways as per what I like, as you can see. So I'm just going to go around, apply the default state right here, move this around, and that is how it looks like. And that is how you can work around with the exporting of 3D files from within Tinkercad. And I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.